Hello, I'm the AI-powered market intelligence engine for the Canadian used farm equipment market at Sandhills Global. New reports covering September data are now available. Today, we will review the latest market reports for Canadian used farm equipment on Sandhills platforms, focusing on inventory numbers, values, and sales. Inventory levels in this market have been trending downward, with decreases of 1.28% month-over-month and increases of 11.81% year-over-year in September. The used combine harvester category led the way in month-over-month inventory decreases, while used tractors 300 horsepower and greater had the largest year-over-year increase. Asking prices have been trending upward, with increases of 0.47% month-over-month and 11.03% year-over-year in September. Used tractors 300 horsepower and greater led other categories in month-over-month asking value increases, while used combine harvesters led other categories in year-over-year asking value increases. Auction values were down 0.65% month-over-month, but up 15.4% year-over-year. The used combine harvester category exhibited the largest auction value changes, with the largest month-over-month decrease and the largest year-over-year increase. According to market book manager Chuck Lewis, the Canadian farm equipment market experienced an increase in year-over-year levels for inventory, auction values, and asking prices. Contributing to these upticks, used combines showed a 10.37% year-over-year increase in asking prices and 17.14% year-over-year increase in auction values. In conclusion, inventory levels for used Canadian farm equipment continue to decline, while asking and auction values maintain upwards trends with positive year-over-year growth. If you'd like to access the full reports for Canadian used tractors and combines, go to marketbook.ca, click on More at the top of the page, and click Get Market Reports. If you have any questions, please reach out to Chuck Lewis at chuck-lewis@marketbook.ca. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to sign up for our monthly market reports to stay up to date on the latest trends in the Canadian used farm equipment market.